Hey guys, it's me Minato. Now we're going to make Buddha chucha.
Okay, no. Today, what you got?
Wait. Bye bye. I need to do highlighted. Daddy, do daddy.
Wow, what's that?
It's do daddy do.
Today, what you got?
It's do daddy do.
What's that?
Do daddy do.
It's in Japanese.
It's do daddy do. That's Japanese.
Wow, that's Soba Meshi. Today we got Soba Meshi. Wow, we bought this from Japanese supermarket. Wow.
Cannot atamelo.
Can.
I know, but cannot atamelo with this one like this.
With the plastic cannot. Today we are gonna do with a microwave, okay?
Yes.
Okay.
No.
And this one is called Soba Meshi. It's a noodle mixed with rice. It's a popular food from Kobe.
Let's start it. First, we need a scissors.
Yeah, so we need to yes, cut and put on the plate, okay?
Okay.
Show mommy. Wow, it's frozen. Noodle with rice.
Let's go.
What happened? So many inside. Wow. Wow.
But why this shape it looks like triangle?
Because it's frozen. Let's
Oh my
microwave. Let's
god.
microwave.
Until 20.
Ready? Let's microwave.
15, 20, 25, 30, 10. Everyone, I finished my curry. Look.
Rice with noodle. Oh, I can see some veggie and carrot inside. It's yummy.
I also like it.
It's yummy.
Let me eat R. So good.
So good. You love it? Pork, carrot. You like it? Nice?
Yes, nice.
What is this? The name?
Uba.
Soba Meshi. Soba means what?
I don't know.
Noodle.
Right.
Meshi means rice.
And what is it? The long thing? Is it? The long thing is it noodle?
Yes.
Okay.
I think they cut and put inside.
Okay. Let's bite one more time. It's super yummy.
It tastes like a little bit like fried rice. Not exactly the same, but it tastes like fried rice. It's very yummy. There's a pork inside, little pork. I think it's pork. So yummy.
Everyone, this soba sushi so good. Thank you for watching my video. Bye. And subscribe my video, turn the bell and subscribe my video and comment my video. Bye.